Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my card sample for Creative Craft, and it is using the Tower Fold A2 Collectables die set. So it just folds up like that and then it will stand up. Then you can fold it flat and pop it in to an envelope. So I will also be using Made to Surprise products as well to decorate the card, but I will show you what products they are later on in the video. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial. So to make this project, we're using Creative Craft Tower Fold A2 Collectables die set. Okay, so this is what the dies look like, and I'll talk through what dies we are using. We're also using Creative Craft Pastel Gingham and Tiny Polka Dots paper pack. We're using Made to Surprise Puppet Pets paper. Okay, and I've got white cardstock, silver cardstock, and I've used some foam tape to stick some of this together. So we're going to start off with the main part of the card. So we have the main die here, and I've cut that out twice in white cardstock. Then for the pieces that are going to go on the front here, I've die cut out two of the largest strip die in silver cardstock, and then two of the medium size strip in silver card as well. And then we will need to cut 8 of these, and I've cut them in mirror card as well. Then the patterned paper, you'll need 2 that measure 1/4 inch by 4 7/8, 2 that measure 1/4 inch by 2 1/4, and then 8 that are 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. And then I've added the paper to the mirror card with some foam tape. So now I'm going to show you how you need to fold this up. So this is what we're going to be aiming for. So I've done one side already, and what we need to do is you'll have this first score line here. You want to fold that into a mounting fold. Then your second score line here, you want to fold into a mounting fold. Okay, and then you're going to lift that up, and then you just got to pop them inwards like that, and then just fold that over, so then that all lays how it should do. Okay, so I've added my adhesive. So I've added some adhesive on this larger section here, and then also these 4 squares there glued on to there. So, and just make sure that's all lined up, and then stick that all together. All stand up like that. How cute is that? So now what we're going to do is we are going to, before I add these sections here, I'm going to tell you the measurements for the matten layers that are going to go on the front. I used these 3 dies here. So we have the largest one, and I cut a piece of white card out of this one for the front. Then you'll have your next one down, and this one I cut some mirror card using that, and that's going to go on there. And then for the patterned paper, I used the smallest one of those 3, and then that will go on the front. Okay, so I'm going to get them stuck down as well as these pieces. we will be using made to Suprise products. So the first one we have is the Farmyard Sentiments, and we will be using the Have a Happy Clucking Birthday. Then I'll be using the Tops and Tails stamp set and coordinating dies. So these are the coordinating dies that goes with the stamp set. And then I'm also using the Farmyard Icons die set. So I'm going to cut everything out and stamp my images and cut them out, and then I'll come back. So what I've done is I've cut everything out and I have coloured in my images, and I roughly know where I want to place these. So I have stamped my sentiment, so it says Happy Clucking Birthday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward this bit and let you watch me just glue everything down, and then I will come back. How cute is that? And then that will just stand up, just refold that up and it will stand up like that, flat, to pop into your envelope. So there we go, guys. That is my sample, card sample, the Creative Craft Tower Fold A2 Collectables die set, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and also all products will be listed down below if you want to go and make this card as well. So take care, guys. See you soon. Bye for now.